Hello and welcome. I'm Anet A8 and in this episode I'm going to be printing a screwdriver holder for my pegboard. Okay, so the annoying thing about having a massive pegboard up there like that is that there is probably not too much space above it. So I need to put a screwdriver holder in, and I did find one online that I will print. Again, I still don't have a time lapse yet because I don't have that system set up on this printer. Maybe in the near future I'll set up a Octoprint or some other kind of time lapsing function for that. But yeah, for now I don't actually have that, which is not great. But yeah, here is the part, and this is actually a really well printed part. I don't know if you can see. There is a very strange issue on the back. It does actually look like it has shifted a layer at one point. A very odd issue, but I don't think it will be one that actually does affect the outcome of this print. The best way to get rid of this stuff, it does print some kind of weird grid system for the floor, so I'll just pull them off with a remember not to go too hard at it because these are plastic, so it might still have energy out of it. But yeah, that went pretty well. The middle one is perfectly fine. I printed these with supports, if you couldn't tell, and that is what I'm taking off right now. I may not have explained that very well. That one popped straight off, which was very good. That just literally, maybe I'll try it for this one as well. So you grab, I just twisted, yes, and that is the whole thing off in one nice swoop. I've never had supports that were that easy to remove before, and I need some screwdrivers to put into this holder. After seeing my terrible array of screwdrivers that I have here, I mean, this one's not bad, but yeah, here we go. The screwdriver fits very nicely into the hole. I have a few of these ones actually, so these ones would be pretty good for it. I want to see if a chisel would fit. No, it will not. Okay, well that's fine. Maybe I can find something for chisels later. But this does fit as well. This, of course, being the Anet A8 screwdriver. I still have that. Quite surprisingly. Is that a reversible screwdriver? No, it's not. It's just really awfully made. Yes! Look, even get the Vector 3 screwdriver in there, and that's the big one as well. So, yeah, I mean, I'm going to have to take these out to put them back in, to put this, before I put that back on. Now, hopefully, they will fit into this once this is on the wall. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so as you can see up here on the wall behind me, I have added it to the wall. So, that's pretty cool, right? It would be good to be able to get a board that is probably the right fit, because this board here is not fit for the right, is not the correct fit for these types of things. But in the future, when I move into a, somewhere where I can actually host these kind of things a bit better, or I have a better set or whatever, hopefully I'll have a proper one of these for the wall, and that'd be really great. For now, this will do, definitely. And it's a great way to have all of my tools on show, be able to get to them very easily, and also not let them get in the way of everything by laying around on the desk or stuff like that. I'll try and look for one for my chisels maybe next, these types of things, because they are very useful to have to hand if you need to remove excess materials from prints and stuff. But that is about it for this episode. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me think, follow me on Twitter, that's Anet A8, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below saying your cool things that you want me to show on 3D Showcase. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.